Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the clutch on a BMW E39 530i. This process can seem daunting, but with a bit of patience and the right tools, you'll save a ton of money doing it yourself. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is paramount. Make sure your car is securely lifted and you're wearing safety glasses and gloves. Trust me, you don't want any accidents. Start by disconnecting the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Next, remove the exhaust system and drive shaft. This will give you clear access to the transmission. Have a buddy help you here because the exhaust can be pretty heavy. Now, let's get to the transmission. Remove the bolts connecting the transmission to the engine. You might need an extension to reach some of these bolts. Carefully lower the transmission using a transmission jack. Take your time, you don't want to damage anything. With the transmission out, you can see the clutch assembly. Unscrew the bolts holding the pressure plate and remove the old clutch disc. Take note of how everything is assembled. A quick photo can be really helpful here. Before installing the new clutch, inspect the flywheel. If it's glazed or has hot spots, it might need resurfacing or replacement. Align the new clutch disc and pressure plate and bolt them in place, ensuring everything is torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reinstall the transmission. This can be a bit tricky, so having a friend to help align everything is a big plus. Once it's bolted back in, reconnect the drive shaft and exhaust system. Don't forget to reconnect the battery too. Finally, double-check all your work. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Start the car and test the clutch. If everything feels smooth, you've done it. Take it for a test drive to make sure everything is working as it should. And there you have it. That's how you replace the clutch on a BMW E39 530i. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair videos. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching!